Howdy, folks. We're a little crooked. Alright, try it again.
Just go.
Hello, folks. It's January the 1st of 2019, and Kay and I are at Matson Hill in St. Charles County, Missouri.
Welcome to Happy Trails Hiking. Let's go on a hike. Matson Hill Park in St. Charles County, Missouri is a hiker's and mountain biker's paradise. It's got over 6 miles of natural surface trails for you to explore. This park is part of what they call the Boone Region, and it is designed to reflect the natural surroundings found in the area during the time of Daniel Boone's life. Look at all the mushrooms. Go all the way down, and they cut this log apart, but come to a fork in the road, and we could go on Oxen Mill Trail or stay on Matson Hill Loop. And Matson Hill Loop is how long, Matt?
Well, map says Oxen Mill Trail is 2.1 miles.
Okay, and Matson Hill is?
Matson Hill is 2.8 miles.
Oh,
and so
almost.
we're about halfway done with Matson Hill right now. And we started down here, and this trail is just kind of very windy and stuff, but we made it up here. And it'd be nice to do the whole to add Oxen Mill Trail, but it's really gloomy today, and we want to make ham and beans. So we're going to just keep it at the Matson Hill Loop only today and do our 2.8 miles, and we'll hike again on Saturday.
Pretty little spot. Well, we finished out here at Matson Hill Trail. How far did we go?
Well, we went 3.2 miles.
Okay.
And a moving average speed of 2.4 miles an hour.
Okay.
So it's actually a little bit slower than a couple days ago.
Right.
We were 2.6 moving average on that one.
We stopped a lot and took pictures. We hope that you'll...
Yeah, we did take more pictures this time.
Hope you'll enjoy the pictures here at the end of the video, and we'll link the map from the GPS.
It's a nice little hike. We'll have to come back out here again and do the extended version that we skipped this time.
Right. Well, yeah, the last time we were here was fall of 2017.
Yeah, it was.
So, yeah. Anyway, well, thanks for watching, and thanks for coming along.